Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on economatrixdey channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 10 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 13 statistics, okay, and we are going to continue with exercise 13.2, okay, and today's part is part 3. Now I will request all the class 10 students that those who have not watched the part 1 and part 2 do watch it, and then you watch this part 3. Then what will happen? It will be easy for you to understand the concept and understand how to solve these sums. Okay, I have shared the link at the end of the video. Okay, now let us come to question number 2. What it is telling? Already one is been done. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components are there. That means electrical components means electrical some parts are there, okay, and their lifetime means how many hours it will last, it is given. Okay, so lifetime in hours, then one chart is given, lifetime in hours 0 to 20, 20 to 40. That means those electrical components who will last for 0 to 20 hours, they are how many? 10. Then 20 to 40, 35 are there. 40 to 60, 52, 60 to 80, 61, 80 to 100, 38, 100 to 120, 29, and that is called the frequency. Then what it is telling? Determine the modal, see, modal lifetimes of the components. You have to find out the modal means the mode you have to find out. So when you will find out the mode, obviously the answer will be in hours, okay. Now how you will find? You will write answer, and this chart, it is given in what? 2 rows and several columns. We will convert it into 2 columns, okay, and several rows, okay. So you take out your notebook and you do the columns in this way, and I will also do, and then we will start solving the sum together. Okay, now students, I have written in 2 columns and several rows, okay, and this second column is what? The frequency column. Frequency written, you can write F also. Now first, how to do the mode? We have to see which is the maximum frequency. Here maximum is which one? Here 61 is the maximum. So that only will be what? F1. And I told you to circle it because it is maximum. Okay, and what it will be? What? Modal class. Clear or no? And which is the modal class? That is F1. Before F1 it's what? F0. And after F1 is what? F2. Now I will write what? Since 61 is the maximum frequency, so it is the maximum frequency, therefore modal class, okay, modal class equal to what? 60 to 80, okay. Now we will write the values. L is how much? 60, okay. Then F0 how much? 52. Then F1 is how much? 61. F2 is how much? 38. See nicely, this is 60 L. Then F0 is 52, F1 is 61, F2 is 38. Now one more thing is left, that is what? H. Now H is what? 60 to 80. 60 to 80. What is the difference? Okay, 80 minus 60, if you do 80 minus 60, okay, big minus small, so you will get the difference, that is only H. So you got all the values. Now we will put the formula. Therefore mode equal to L plus, then we will draw like this line, and then F1 minus F0 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay. Now students, those who are new in my channel, all the students, I would like to request that if you like this video, if you like my channel, then please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now let us come back to the sum again. I wrote the formula. Now I will put the values. So L is what? L is 60 plus. Then you draw this line. I used to see the students, they draw this line, either this line goes down or it goes up. Okay. So you draw the line first. Now F1 is how much? 61 minus F0 is how much? 52. Clear? Now 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38. Then into H is how much? 20. Now what I will do? 60 plus. Now I will draw this line first. Now 61 minus 52. So how much comes? It comes 9. Okay. Now here 2 into 61. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. Minus 52 minus 38 into 20. Now next 60 plus, draw the line, 9. Now 122 minus 52. So 122 minus 52. So 2 minus 2, 0. Now here you cannot, so you cut, borrow. 12 minus 5, 70. So what it comes? 70 minus 38 into 20. Then we can write 60 plus 9 by. Now 70 minus 38. This also you have to do rough. Okay. Chalo, let me do the rough here only. Okay. Let me do the rough here. So 70 minus 38. Okay. You can do orally also. If you cannot, you can do rough. Okay. So here I will borrow. It will become 6. Here 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. And 6 minus 3, 3. So what you get? 32 into 20. Clear? Now I told you never touch this 60. Now see here whether cutting is possible or no. Yes, cutting is possible. See 20 and 32. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. Now from here, if I do it here, okay, equal to, clear? You go down, okay, equal to, below, equal to. Now 60 plus, now 9 into 5, 45, divided by, what is downside? 8, clear? After that, 60, 60, plus, plus. Now this one I have to divide, so let me divide it here. So 45 with 8, okay, 8 5s are 40. So what is left? 5. Now I will put decimal point, 1 0 will come. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Clear no? So what is left? 2 is left. Clear no? Then I can put again, suppose 2 is left. Okay. So if 2 is left, then I will put again 0. So 8, how much are 20? Okay, 8 2s are 16. So how much comes? 4 comes. Clear no? And then again I can do it 0. So 8 5s. So what you get? 5.625. Okay. Now we will add this one. So when we will add, how we will add? Let me do it here. Okay. 60 means 60.000. And that one is what? 5.625. Okay. And when you are adding, so it will come as it is. And this will come what? 65. So what you get? 65.625. Got it? And this will be what? Hours. And this is the answer. Clear or no? Now students will be thinking, sir, this division we have not understood. Let me do the divide here. Okay, see nicely, I am doing the divide again. 45 by 8. 8 5s are 40. Now 5 left, decimal point 0. 8 6s are 48. Then 2 left, again 0. 8 2s are 16. Then 4 comes down. Now after that again 0. 8 5s are 40. Okay, and remainder is nothing. Okay, so like that way you got 5.625. And when you add it, I have shown here 60 means what? 60.000. And when you are adding 5.625, remember when you are adding, point below will be point. So 5, 2, 6, because 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 6 is 6. Then decimal point, then 0 plus 5, 5, 6 will come down. So 65.625, and the answer will be ours. Okay, I hope you have understood question number 2 nicely. Now it is your duty to practice these sums at least 2-3 times so that you are habituated in doing these sums. Okay, because mode is really easy. Okay, very easy. Understanding or no? सो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।